Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. The Meteor Beyond Visual Range air to air missile, which is said to be one of the most effective air to air missile in the world, is something which every country would like to have in their arsenal and equip their fighters if it is compatible. Meteor missiles have a range in excess of 100 km with a large no escape zone of 60 km. Designed for a speed greater than Mach 4, these Meteor missiles can engage moving targets such as fighters, unmanned aerial vehicles, and cruise missiles at the same time owing to its enhanced tracking abilities. The ramjet air-breathing engine of Meteor missile allows it to adjust its velocity based on its target's maneuvering. There are many more powerful and unique things to be mentioned about this missile, but in this video, I thought of updating on the latest happening with the Meteor missile and German Air Force Eurofighter Typhoon. As per the defense sources, it looks like the German Air Force recently completed the flight tests of Meteor with the Eurofighter Typhoon fleet just to make sure there are no burdens on fuel consumption and flight's behavior. Even though we see that the list of fighters on which these Meteor missile can be integrated, we do have Eurofighter Typhoon name in the list along with Saab's Gripen, Dassault Rafale aircraft, and Lockheed Martin's F-35 fighter jet. Even then, I am not sure why German Air Force wanted to do another flight test. Not just now, they have already completed one more round of initial flight tests with the same Eurofighter Typhoon loaded with an operational Meteor missile last June. Based on the tests, the relevant team of German Air Force gathered all live flying data to consider the aircraft's performance and system indications when carrying the missile. Looks like the next step is to perform a live firing test of these Meteor missiles using the same Eurofighter Typhoon, but the dates were not revealed yet. Apart from Meteor missiles, these fighters are also equipped with AIM-120 Advanced Medium Range Air-to-Air Missiles and Infrared Imaging System Tail Short Range Missiles. So let's hope German Air Force completes all required tests, checks and trials and equip their Eurofighter Typhoon fleet with all possible powerful missiles at the earliest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.